Hello and welcome to your ultimate interactive financial dashboard, a comprehensive, user-friendly solution designed to give you clear and actionable insights into your finances. Whether you're looking to manage income, track spending, or achieve long-term savings goals, this dashboard combines all these tools into a single, streamlined platform. Plus, with both dark and light mode options, you can set the tone and style that best suits you. This dashboard makes personal finance not just manageable but truly empowering, giving you the control you need to make smart financial choices with confidence. To give you a quick overview, this dashboard operates with user-friendly data entry sheets. All your data, from income streams to monthly expenses, is entered through designated sheets, allowing the main dashboard to be read only. Why is this useful? It prevents accidental changes to your main visuals so you can focus entirely on analysis, insights, and reports. The dashboard is designed with intuitive layouts, featuring charts, graphs, and summaries that transform complex data into clear, actionable information. Whether you're new to managing your own finances or a seasoned pro, this setup ensures an easy, seamless experience. Let's dive into one of the most essential parts of any financial management system, tracking your income and expenses. In this section, you can log all your income sources, whether it's a monthly salary, freelance income, investments, or passive income. At the same time, categorize and enter your expenses in detail, giving you a complete view of your spending habits. What's unique about this dashboard is its automatic updates. As soon as you enter data, the charts and graphs refresh in real time. This means you can always see the latest view of your finances, allowing you to quickly identify areas where you might be overspending or undersaving. By understanding your cash flow on this level, you can make timely adjustments, reduce unnecessary expenses, and allocate funds more effectively towards savings or investments. Moving to the Goals tab, this is where you turn your ambitions into measurable, actionable targets. Financial goals are a powerful way to stay motivated, and this dashboard makes it easy to set and track them. Do you want to save for a new home, fund an emergency savings account, or work toward retirement? Here you can outline each goal, set a target amount, and track your progress toward achieving it. You'll also find options to set monthly budgets across different categories like groceries, utilities, and leisure. Each month, you can compare your actual spending to your budget amount, seeing where you're staying on track and where there might be room to improve. This tab becomes your accountability partner, helping you stay disciplined and focused on reaching your financial objectives without sacrificing your day-to-day needs. One of the standout features of this dashboard is its visual data representation. Financial data can be overwhelming in raw numbers, so having graphs, pie charts, and bar charts that automatically update with each entry makes it much more digestible. These visuals allow you to spot trends quickly, perhaps a spike in certain spending categories or a steady increase in your savings rate. You'll also see progress bars that show how close you are to reaching your goals, which is incredibly motivating. Whether you're a visual learner or just appreciate having a quick summary of your finances, these charts are designed to keep you informed and engaged without having to dig through numbers. In summary, this dashboard isn't just a tool, it's your financial partner, designed to empower you with the insights and organization needed to make smarter financial decisions. From managing income and expenses to setting impactful goals, tracking debts, and visualizing your financial progress, it brings clarity and focus to every aspect of your personal finances. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where you stand financially and having a clear path forward to reach your goals. If you're ready to take control of your finances, this downloadable template is here to support you every step of the way. Go ahead and click the link in the description to get started. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tools and content like this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with any questions, feedback, or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success. See you in the next video.